just seeing what your estimated time of taxi is.
We just finished de-icing, probably taxiing about 15-20 minutes.
I was told by airfield management that your flight plan suspends at 1030. If you're going to be past that time, it sounds like you have to coordinate with your flight desk to get them to change the time on your departure.
Okay, copy. Understand that you are unable to post a delay message for us?
Yeah, that's correct. I guess I don't know if it's a thing over here or what, but airfield management, if they did not follow the flight plan, they can't change the proposed departure time here.
Okay, copy. Question then for you. If we file for, let's say, 10:45, then confirm the window for departure would be 10:30 to 11. Is that correct?
I'll have to call airfield management. Stand by 1 second. I'll just make sure for you.
Thanks. Okay, so, and that was my understanding. So then our flight plan is good from the time stipulated on the flight plan until 30 minutes after. So this current flight plan should be good until 10:45, right?
From what they told me, your proposed departure time was 10 o'clock, so it would suspend at 10:30. But if you put in a new one at 10:30, it would be good from 10:30 to 11.
Yeah, okay, copy. Yeah, I think our EOBT was 10 o'clock. Okay, copy. We're working on it right now. Thanks. Ground, reach 637, information, Juliet, request taxi.
Runway 29, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 29 via Alpha, reach 637.
All 59 heavy, Mildenhall Tower, runway 29, wind estimated wind estimated comp, clear to land.
All 59, clear to land, runway 29. DHF works for us, reach 637, thanks.
Do you have a squawk code for us this morning?
Yeah, I'm still waiting on a call back for that.
Roger that, thanks.
Call 59 heavy, can turn left taxiway Bravo, taxi park, and you can stay on this frequency.
Call 59 left at Bravo, taxi to park, stay for this frequency. 367.
Reach 637 heavy, Mildenhall Tower, roger. Hold short runway 29 at Alpha, and I'm still waiting on the call.
Hold short 29 Alpha, reach 637. I'll stop then go for Romeo.
3473.
3473, it reads 637 holding short, 29.
Reach 637 Heavy, verify you ready?
637, ready to go.
Reach 637 Heavy, roger, runway 29, wind estimated calm, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 29, it reads 637. Romeo. Command and control, read 637 is off the deck.
Copy, have a safe flight.
Thank you.
Heavy traffic off departure at about 9 miles is unknown type aircraft. Altitude indicates 3,300. He's westbound.
637, Surgeon.
Reach 637 Heavy. Contact departure. Have a good flight.
Surgeon, departure 136.5. Thanks. Reach 637.
Heavy, turn left taxiway Bravo, and you can taxi to park on this frequency. Have a good day.
For Alpha 57, we'd like to request a 180 on the runway back taxi to Charlie.
Alpha 57 Heavy, roger. Continue down the runway, make your 180 on the concrete portion, and your back taxi approved.
Alpha 57, roger. We'll continue down to the concrete portion, turn 180, and then get up to Charlie.